Welcome. If you've ever tried to upload a picture on Snapchat and noticed you can't access your photos, don't worry, this quick guide will show you exactly how to fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know how to allow photo access on Snapchat so you can share memories, edit snaps, and make stories without any issues. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. Every phone has a slightly different layout, but don't worry, the steps are simple and nearly identical across all devices. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap it to open your list of installed apps. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Snapchat and tap on it. This will open the App Details page, where you can manage all its preferences and permissions. Now, look for the section labeled Permissions. Tap it, and you'll see a list of all the features Snapchat can access on your phone, like your camera, microphone, and of course, your photos. To give Snapchat access to your pictures, tap on Photos and Videos. Then, select Allow Access to Photos, or simply Allow. This setting ensures that Snapchat can open your gallery, upload snaps from your camera roll, and save pictures directly from the app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled photo access for Snapchat. The change takes effect immediately, so you can head back to the app right away. Open Snapchat, swipe up to access your memories, or tap on your gallery icon when creating a snap. You should now see all your photos appear just like before. If it still doesn't work, try closing Snapchat completely and reopening it. It usually refreshes the settings and solves the issue instantly. Thanks for watching.